Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and allow storage permission right there in your apps here in your Android devices. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So for that matter, let's go ahead and open our mobile settings first, and we will first go directly to our privacy option over here, and you can see this permissions manager, and you can see the location camera. If you go, you will be able to find this storage option given. If I tap on that option, so you can see in allowed section I can see all of these apps, right? So this app have the particular option allowed over here. So if I want to deny, I can simply go ahead deny. If I want to keep it allowed, tap on this allow option, it's good to go. And other ways of the way you can find is simply just go back again and go to this option called apps over here. Again, tap on apps, go to the particular app that you want to see if the permission is allowed or not, or if you want to allow. So for example, if it's this app, I can go to this option called permissions and see. You can see storage is allowed over here. So if the permission is denied, that storage will be over here. You can tap, so let me tap on this particular option. I can again tap on allow, and this will also be an allowed check section. So if I go back, for example, if I have this app, tap on permissions here as well. To see if I tap on this, deny, and if I go back, the storage is now here in denied section. I can again tap on that storage option, tap on this allow, and I'm good to go. The permission is allowed for this app. So yes guys, this is how you can manage, deny, and allow the storage permission rather in Android devices. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.